Hello, welcome to the Chatterbox. This is the second video that's going to show you how to make the j sound, j. So in the other video, we talked about using the sound d and y and blending them together to get j, 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 instead of j, j, d. In this video, we're going to turn other sounds into that j sound. So another sound that's closely related is D and R. So when we put those two sounds together, we often turn the D and R into that jr, to the j sound with the R. So we don't really say I drew it, we say I drew it. See how it sounds like a j, a little j in there? I drew it. And do you like to draw? We don't say draw usually, we say draw. Once we speak quickly and blend sounds together quickly, they change a little bit and influence each other and make new sounds. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get the j sound out of D and R. And here's a little visual I use with my kiddos. So this I wouldn't show the kiddos, but to show you, that's the j sound and the d. So the very important thing to do is to get that strong D again, d, d, d. Just like with ch, ch. We want to get that strong D. This time our voice is on d, d, d. D, d, and that's the j sound, j, j. But we're not going to look at that. We're going to look at this, d and ry. So we don't usually say dry. I need to dry it. We say I need to dry it. You hear that little j in there? Dry it. And we stretch it out. So to teach your child or help your child say that j a little better and not j, we want to get that good strong D and a good strong R. D, ry, d, ry, d, ry, d, ry, and then we start blending it together. Dry, dry, dry. So it's a real strong d and a real strong dry, dry. And we have, when our tongue is engaged and strong, then we can do it a little quicker. Dry, oh, we don't want to go dry. Nope, that's a flat, lazy tongue. We want it strong. Dry, dry, keep it up. And if you spit, that's good. It means you're doing it right. You're pushing really, really hard. And they might spit because they're trying something new with their tongue. They're breaking a habit that they've been saying a sound a certain way for so long. Now they want to engage that tongue, make it real strong, and push it out the front, not out the sides anymore. Dry, dry, drive it home. We're going to drive it right out the front of our mouth. Drive. I should have drive up here, but we've got dry, dry, draw. We'll break it down again. Draw, 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 and it'll turn into that draw when we say it quick. Draw, 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 draw. Drew. I drew it. That doesn't sound quite right. I drew it, right? I drew it, drew it, drew it, drew it. So you really, really want to stress, we're not saying drew it, we're saying drew it with an R and a D real strong. Drew, drew, drew. Now blend it together. Drew, drew. And if it goes back to drew, drew. Oh, stop. Try again. Drew, drew, rue, drew, drew. Now we blend it together. Drew, drew. Now do it quicker. Drew, 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 drew. So if they're saying those individual sounds correctly every time, they can get stronger, their tongue's engaged, then we go quicker and it will turn into the drew. And the last one, drawer, drawer. Not drawer, could be drawer either, but I was thinking of a drawer, okay, that you open and close. Drawer, 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 and there's your j sound. It sounds dr, dr, and try dr, just right. Okay, good luck with that. Let me know how it goes, and I'll leave you to chat.